We are going to continue to talk about characters, okay? So a character is a person, animal, or creature in a story, okay? All right, so this next slide, I'm going to move this over so you guys can see, maybe. Okay, so this next slide, you guys are going to figure out which ones are characters and which ones are not characters, okay? So let's do one of them together, okay? So, flamingo. Do you think a flamingo could be a character or not a character? So a character would have the thumbs up, not a character would have the thumbs down, okay? So a character could be a flamingo, right? Because it is an animal, okay? So I'm going to leave that right there. So you're going to move all of those pictures to, if they're characters, they're going to go in this box. And if they're not characters, they're going to go in this box, okay? So we have glue, sun, snowman, frog, pencil, girl, mushroom, and a boy. And a flamingo, but we already did that one, right? Okay. So this next part, we are going to read the passage and then answer the questions. I'm going to go ahead and read this to you, but as I read it, I want you to read along with me the best you can, okay? Jessica was in a bad mood. She did not want to smile. She did not want to play. She did not want to eat cake. She did not want to share. She just wanted to see her mom, okay? So now we're going to go over here to this page and we're going to answer some questions about the characters, okay? So this slide right here, it says, who is the character in the passage? You're going to go back to the story and you're going to find the name of the character that was in the passage and write it in this first box right here, the name of the character that was in the passage. The next question says, what is something that Jessica did not want to do? What did she not want to do? So go back in this passage or go back in my video and listen to me read. What is something that she did not want to do? And then the last part says, what did Jessica want? So what was one thing that Jessica did want to do? Again, go back in the passage and find it and answer the question. That is it for your character lesson. I hope you guys have fun with it and let me know if you have any questions.